Welcome, entrepreneurs. You're poised to embark on a thrilling journey towards launching your Amazon FBA empire. Imagine selling your first 1,000 products on Amazon with ease and confidence. I understand the hesitation that comes with starting something new, which is why I'm offering you over $1,000 worth of marketing secrets for free. Yes, free. All you need to do is say maybe. This isn't just about giving you tools. It's about preparing you for success. With the FBA Ascend trial, you'll gain access to exclusive resources that are designed to propel your business forward. Think of this as your test drive. For 14 days, you get to explore every feature, every tool, without spending a dime. It's your opportunity to see just how impactful these resources can be for your business. And there's more. By saying maybe, you unlock a treasure chest of bonuses. From ebooks like Think and Grow Rich to essential tools and community access, these bonuses are designed to accelerate your success. Picture this: joining a community of like-minded entrepreneurs, all embarking on their Amazon journeys. This network alone could be your stepping stone to profound growth and learning. Now you might wonder, what's the catch? There isn't one. This offer is packed with value, because I believe in the transformative power of the right tools and community. It's all about giving you a head start. So, are you ready to take the first step towards building your empire? Remember, all you have to do is say maybe to unlock your free trial and all these incredible bonuses. Let's make your business dreams a reality.